Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
The annoying humming noise in range hoods usually comes from three parts: the blower motor, fan blades, and loose screws or brackets. A dirty or worn-out motor can vibrate. Unbalanced blades might hit something, and loose mounts cause vibrations. Regular cleaning and tightening can stop the humming quickly.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.